Giving and receiving gifts is such a universal experience, but do you know the language behind it? Whether it's wrapping a present, describing a thoughtful gift, or talking about the whole process, we are diving into vocabulary and expressions you need to sound fluent and confident. By the end of this video, you'll not only expand your vocabulary, but also learn how to use these words naturally. If you are ready, let's unwrap this lesson. First, let's start with the types of gifts you might give or receive. It's not just about objects, there's a whole vocabulary around it. When it comes to presents, there are some words you can use to sound more specific. The first one is keepsake. This is a gift that holds sentimental value. For example, a handmade photo album can be a keepsake. Luxury item, something expensive and high-end, like designer clothes or jewelry. Handmade gift, a gift you create yourself, like knitting a scarf or baking cookies. Token of appreciation, a small gift to say thank you, like a box of chocolates. These words help you describe gifts more precisely, whether you're talking to a friend or writing about them. Now that we've talked about types of gifts, let's move on to wrapping. Did you know there's an entire set of words just for describing how a gift looks? Wrapping a gift isn't just practical, it's an art. Here's some vocabulary to help you talk about it. Wrapping paper, the decorative paper you use to cover a gift. Bow, the ribbon tied on top of the present. Gift tag, a small card or label where you write the recipient's name or a message. Tissue paper, thin, colorful paper used to fill a gift bag or box. You could say I wrapped the gift in red wrapping paper, added a gold bow, and wrote a message on the gift tag. Doesn't it sound festive? Now we are diving into expressions and phrases. Here are some common phrases related to gifts. It's the thought that counts. This means the intention behind the gift is more important than the gift itself. For example, even a small handmade gift can be very meaningful. To gift wrap something. This can mean wrapping a physical gift, but it's also used metaphorically to present something perfectly. For instance, her speech was gift wrapped with humor and kindness. Third one, to be gifted. This has nothing to do with presents. It means someone has a natural talent, like being gifted in music or sports. Using these expressions will make your English sound more natural and interesting. Let's wrap things up with a quick quiz. See how much you remember from today's video. Question first. What's the word for colorful paper you use to cover a gift? Answer was wrapping paper. Good. The question 2. What do you call a gift with sentimental value? Keepsake. The question 3. If someone has a natural talent, what do we call them? They are gifted. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to practice using these words and expressions, and if you found this video really helpful, I really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.